Morning, guys. Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Oh, I know the haters are mad. Oh. Anybody else up for a nice good morning cold start? I am. Gotta love that sound. Morning, neighbors. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Now, it's not every day that I find crazy cool deals on Facebook Marketplace, but this was a crazy cool deal. Now, I found a few. You know, I found the Sean Penn BMW. We got the Jaguar, which was perfect for $2,000 that we sold at the bar. And then today I found this. A Lamborghini Countach. Yeah, let's get it. So when you told me you daily drove this thing, I was like, what?
I drive it daily.
So is it, what, 6-speed?
It's a 5-speed.
5-speed?
The motor's a 3.4. I have paperwork on it. It's got a 63mm turbo.
Jesus Christ.
The tuning is a little off still. I was going to buy a Hall-Tech computer.
Uh-huh.
So somebody can actually do a real tune on it.
Okay.
That would be like one of the main things that would help it in the future.
Right.
But right now it's completely drivable. You just can't fucking just stomp on.
You're not gonna be, romping on it.
Technically, the fucking thing will have a lot of power when somebody tunes it high in the 400 range.
Yeah.
And it only weighs probably around 2,200 pounds.
What?
Yeah,
Because it's all glass, right?
It's all glass.
Oh.
Yeah, it's all glass.
This thing 100% meets what I need it for, though. We're mostly going to use it for video stuff.
I mean, it's identical to the real car. The only difference is there's the motor and basically in the shifter right there.
Yeah.
Usually they have a little plate that's underneath that, and it goes over, and there's some buttons there.
Right.
But that's little shit.
Yeah, but you know what? Like the average person that looks at this car has no idea. No,
I drive it all the time, and it's currently. I mean, this car you can even get loans on it. I mean,
engine originally from the Fiero.
The block.
The block is?
Yeah,
okay.
And the upper intake is Fiero, and the wiring's Fiero.
Okay.
Transmission's Fiero. I just had this whole engine out again. The whole car's got 2,000 miles on it. I took the engine out and redid the oil pan seal because I had to put the turbo line in.
Yep.
So when I did that, I didn't just drill it and tap it. I went through with the real connectors, the A9 fittings.
Right.
Put a new pan gasket in there. I believe it does need a valve cover gasket at this point.
But that's easy to access in there, though. It's not like.
And eventually, like I said, the computer and eventually some nice axles. Some like new tires, probably. Like I said, these are old tires. Fucking, she always parks right on top of this motherfucker. The suspension's like super stiff,
right?
And the car's super low.
When it's sitting that low, it's
they're fully adjustable.
Okay.
So you can jack the car up, loosen it's got adjustable coilover.
Okay.
I'm sure you know what that is.
Yep.
The fucking basically the only part of the Fiero is this part we're sitting in.
Right.
You know?
And the rest of it's all glass.
Yeah.
I can hear that damn turbo.
throttle. The tuning needs to be done, but I spent more time just trying to get it dayliable, and it's there. I drive it to work every day. Every day. I take it everywhere. Like I said, it could use some new tires and maybe an alignment. Nothing major.
Right.
Because I did some work to the back. I forget what the fuck I did, but I did something with the back, and then so I could be aligned after that because I took the motor out.
Right, you did
I
engine out.
took the whole suspension apart.
Oh boy. Oh. Well, now we know why the car is as cheap as it is at $52,000, and that is because it is a kit car. But I'm going to be honest. I've seen Lamborghini Diablos up close before, ridden in them, all that good stuff. That has to be very close to the actual 2000 Diablo. I mean, looking at that car, if you didn't know anything about Lamborghini and you saw this car, you would not know that that is a kit car. Period. No way in hell you would be able to pick that out as a kit car. So, are we buying it? Well, it is titled as a Lamborghini in Nevada. I don't know how the hell he got that done, but he did. So I'm going to reach out to my insurance agent at Haggerty's, and if they will write a policy on that car, I'm buying it. Crazy bonus video for you guys today, but now you know some of the different stuff I'm looking at trying to do. And nobody would, I mean, unless you really got on that car, it has all the actual Lamborghini windows, carbon fiber, all of that stuff. Everything on the car is 100% legit. To the logos, to the interior, it's all Lamborghini. You would not know that that is not a Diablo. I mean, it's $52,000. I'm literally like, I think we're gonna buy this car. I'm gonna call my guy at Haggerty's and see if they'll write a policy on it. If they'll write a policy on it, and I know what it's insured for, we're buying it.